I'm Justin, I'm the Technical Training Manager. I started working at ATS in 2016.
My name is Eric Freeman. I'm Service Lead, First Shift.
My name is Dean. I'm the Night Shift Trailer Supervisor.
My name is Jordan Gilbert.
My name is Dale. I started in 2023.
I'm Wyatt Venny. I am a diesel mechanic at ATS.
Aaron Hemmingson, and I started working at ATS last year in 2023.
Prior to coming to ATS, my career choices and options were all over the place. I never really committed to anything. I never felt the need to. When I got here, I was not only challenged, but I was provided with an opportunity to succeed, and I was invested in.
Before I came to ATS, I was a fire sprinkler installer in commercial buildings and residential buildings.
Worked on cars for about 5 years.
Helping people do repairs at home. I was the guy holding the flashlight, so I didn't have any sort of schooling or anything like that ahead of time. So when I first came to ATS, I started on the Tech 4 program, and I had a really great trainer who had several people that he was helping train in and everything, so I got the full experience of working with multiple people and learning the industry right away, and I progressed through that Tech 4 program into the regular Tech 3 level, which then basically they set me free into my own bay to keep working on trailers and, you know, go ask for help when I need it, but I was kind of set free. And I did that for a few years before now coming into the supervisor role, where I'm in charge of a team of technicians and help keep them basically learning and keeping trailers getting fixed, you know, the whole 9 yards as a management position.
My day-to-day is basically to maintain the fleet of heavy haul trailers here for ATS. We diagnose and repair essentially anything that's coming our way or anything that might be needed for future projects or upcoming projects. The support here at ATS has been great in the shop. Supervisors, trainers, co-workers, everybody has been very helpful and very willing to help see us through the process.
Great culture. Everybody here is super nice person.
Oh, the team is great. Great people, like I say, to be with and work with, and everybody's helpful.
I like learning on the job. You know, you get paid while you learn. It helps a lot when you're learning what you're doing. You get to have hands-on experience doing that, and you're collecting a check at the same time.
What I like about it is that every day is a different challenge. You might think you're coming into, you know, some of the same similar stuff, but it's a totally different world.
The most rewarding parts of my job are helping my technicians succeed and teaching them the tips and tricks that I've learned throughout the last few years. And so going over and, you know, if you see somebody struggling to accomplish a task and being able to provide them a little insight that saves them a bunch of struggle is always nice to watch, you know, watch it make sense in their mind and then progress from there and be able to take it and run with it.
What I love about my job here at ATS is to actually succeed, especially with the trainees, to see how green they are when they first come in, and then in 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, a year, 2 years, see what they became, and actually seeing them stick with it and succeeding at ATS.
I think it's been a valuable experience, being that I was the one being trained on the other side of the coin. So now that I have the opportunity to train somebody else, I've seen both sides of what's going on, and I can better understand what they're going through, as well as teach them in real time while doing repairs the best way possible.
No day was the same. It would always be something different. You'd be diagnosing what was wrong with the trailer, and you would fix the issues that you would find, and not every trailer was the same. It wouldn't always have the same issues. It's okay to come in and not know like what you're doing right away, as long as you're coming to learn and figure out what you're going to be doing. I didn't know a damn thing about anything mechanical. I just knew how to build stuff and weld it. So when I came in here, I learned all about that on the job.
When I first came over, I was totally nervous because I thought I had to have all this experience or knowledge. Got involved with a great team, and a lot of help was offered. Great training, support that was there. And it was actually a lot easier than what I thought coming in.
Don't be nervous. You're gonna mess things up and you're gonna learn from your mistakes. So it's completely fine.
It could be a little bit intimidating coming into a new workplace and a new career, knowing that you have no experience and everybody around you has been doing this for years. Wanting to keep pace, wanting to prove your worth. All of those things come with time, and they come with patience, and they come with hard work.
To come in basically with an open mind, be a teachable person, we're all kind of perpetual students here where we got to keep learning all the time, keep improving. We've had technicians come here from other companies that have massive amounts of experience and people who've come here with no experience, and everybody can learn something from everybody else here. So it's a good environment to help each other out and kind of grow as a team so that we can reach our goals.
Go for it. Don't let the nerves take over. Don't be scared. Great program, great people to work around, and they definitely give you what you need to be successful at the job.
So in the training program, it was really helpful because there were goals that were set for you to try to achieve. Felt like it helped me stay on track to ultimately get to the graduation point, to being the next tech level.
Some of the biggest benefits to the Tech 4 program is not having to go pay for college tuition and schooling. Being able to just come in and start learning the career that you want to learn is a huge benefit in this day and age.
We also provide tools, and that is a big deal for technicians because getting into this industry, it's a hard thing to do, to buy tools when you don't really have the job yet, and it's a hard transition. So we provide that first step for you.
Some advice I would give somebody looking to join the program today would be come ready to work, come ready to learn. The opportunity laid out in front of you is a lot bigger than you may realize, and you should really take advantage of it and invest in what you're doing.